Brand reputation and user reviews can help assess the quality and reliability of micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuges. Brands with good market reputations, vivianGZAIR, known for high-quality products and innovative technology. Importance. Trusted by researchers worldwide for reliability and precision. Thermo-Scientific, known for wide range of models and advanced features. Importance. Offers solutions for diverse laboratory needs. Heritage, known for robust design and user-friendly interfaces. Importance. Suitable for both research and clinical applications. Beckman Coulter, known for cutting-edge technology and extensive product support. Importance. Popular among researchers for their advanced centrifugation systems. Sigma, known for affordable options without compromising on quality. Importance. Ideal for budget-conscious laboratories seeking reliable performance. These brands are known for producing high-quality micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuges that meet the needs of researchers and clinical professionals. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding brand reputations, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.